Hey guys, it's your girl Shalae and I'm back today with another video. In today's video, we're going to discuss how to get some free money for your business or your startup business. So I've been keeping a little secret from you guys. Like over the past few months, I've been able to secure over $10,000 in grant money for my latest business adventure. Now you already know I'm going to explain the details in some upcoming videos, but I wanted to make you aware of all the business grants that may be out here for existing businesses, startup businesses, and even nonprofits. So if you want to know where the money resides, you already know what to do. Stay tuned. Your girl's got you covered. Now, if this is your first time tuning into my channel, hi, hello, hey friend. My name is Shalae, and here on this channel we discuss shopping, saving, and everything in between. I would love to have you a part of my internet family. Super easy. Click the big old red subscribe button down below and you're in just like that. And while you're at it, go ahead and give me a like because you see I'm at a new location. No, your girl is not in jail, okay? But I am in another location, but I'm still giving you the tea, as well as go ahead and grab a copy of my ebook where I show you how to make this money on YouTube no matter where you're at, honey, because we're still getting the coin. And if you're an EBT recipient, go ahead and get that Amazon Prime for $5.99. Now, guys, what you may be surprised is that during the pandemic, a lot of Americans took the opportunity to start a new business. Whether this was older Americans being pushed out their corporate jobs, or, some of us millennials was just looking for something different. A 9-to-5 is not for everyone. The president's Build Back Better agenda was created for small business companies. Sometimes we call them ventures or micro businesses, but this is the next phase of recovery that he wants, and that is business opportunities. Now, these are grants, meaning you don't have to pay the money back. You don't even have to worry about going to jail for, doing something strange for that change. Y'all know what I'm talking about. All that PPP money, I can't bail any of my subscribers out of jail. But a lot of states are using this money to actually give to startup businesses or even existing business. Now, I'm going to always refer you to the Small Business Administration because that's just where you need to start it, or the Chamber of Commerce, and then your state website to register your business. Let's keep it real, y'all. If you're trying to get 5,000, 10,000, 15, any type of thousand, you're going to have your paperwork together. So I know a lot of people are always concerned about a business card, a website, and that's that low hanging fruit, right? If you want to be a business, you have to have your documents, your paperwork in order. Now, these grants can be used to cover certain expenses like payroll, employee retention costs, mortgage, rent, utility payments, operating costs. I told y'all, I'm always looking for the money. And so the fact that I've been able to use $10,000, create a new business, and be able to pay for my office, y'all, this is where it's at. So let's go ahead and kick off with the first state. The first place that we're headed to is Albuquerque, New Mexico Small Business Entrepreneur Recovery Grant Program. Guys, they are giving out $10,000. Now, these grants are open to family-owned, hospitality, startup businesses, those that are in Main Street designated areas that focus on like education, public health, the entertainment, the arts, but it doesn't have to be in that sector. So now, to qualify, your business must have fewer than 50 employees. You must have a current City of Albuquerque registration license and meet the other requirements. So that goes back to what I told you. You got to have that paperwork in order. Now, businesses that previously received like any COVID-19 relief fund from the state, you're still eligible in Albuquerque, New Mexico. All grants will be distributed by October 1st. Keep this in mind, guys. When you're going to apply for these grants, some of them will be COVID related, some may not be. Look for that startup business. I'm telling you, $10,000, that's already capital being into your business. Next, we are headed to Illinois, where they have Back to Business grant. Come on, let's get back to business. Now, these grants range anywhere from $5,000 to $150,000. To actually be considered, you must demonstrate a reduction in revenue from 2020 to 2021 and no more than $20 million in loss of revenue in 2019. Now, for them, because they're giving you up to $150,000, they're going to want bank statements. They're going to want tax returns, both for 2019 and 2020. And this is what I'm telling you. Like, if you started your business in 2019, say you had BB's clothing going on and you were making money, and then in 2020 business slowed down, you still would qualify, guys. It doesn't have to be like this significant amount in reduction. Sometimes they want 10%, 20%. Now we're headed to my state in Alabama, where in Jackson County, Alabama, businesses can get up to $15,000. So if you own a small business in Jackson County with under 30 employees, you can visit the Mountain Lakes Chamber of Commerce. Now you must have a valid Alabama state business license that only costs less than $50. You must also have a valid license in the state that your business operates. So if the small business did receive any federal assistance throughout the pandemic, you still can receive the funding, but it can't be used for the same purpose. So say that you received a grant from the Small Business Administration and they gave you $15,000 and you said this is for employee costs. You can't use that same reason over here. You might say, hey, I need this for rent. So it has to be two different reasons. The application closes on August 23rd, but they're telling you to go ahead and start applying now, and then you would be notified at the end of September if you receive this money or not. Guys, apply. If they make you pay for something for grants, that is not it. Okay. Next, we are headed to San Diego, California. In San Diego, we have the Small Business Grant Relief Program that are accepting applications for for-profit and non-profit businesses as well. Now, I'm going to give you for-profit, and this is for my self-employed workers, independent contractors, sole proprietors, and you have less than 100 employees, okay? And your profits are under 150,000 or even 250,000 reported in 2019. Your operation for business must have begun before April 1st of 2020, and you must have seen a decline in revenue or service demand due to COVID-19. So even if you have a service-based business, like a coaching business, a consulting business, you can do this as well. Now, you must have your 2019 and 2020 tax returns, a current City of San Diego business tax certificate as well. Now in Pennsylvania, we have the Northampton Company Small Business COVID Relief Grants, where they are giving up to $15,000 for businesses that have less than 100 employees. And you can use this for any type of business expenses, but you must have been in operation before March 1st of 2020. So like I said, with these small business grants, sometimes they can be COVID relief grants. They can be known as startup grants. They can also just be a small business grant. You can also reach out, like I said, to your Chamber of Commerce or Small Business Administration and see. But for the Pennsylvania one, they want at least a reduction of about 51%. The deadline to apply is August 31st as well. But their Chamber of Commerce in Pennsylvania is handling all the information. Next, we are headed to New York. What's up, New York? Where the COVID-19 Pandemic Small Business Recovery Grant Program is accepting application for micro businesses as well as for-profit, independent arts, cultural organizations, but you must have a viable business that has begun before March 1st of 2019. So, eligible applicants will have to show your receipts or show a loss in revenue as well. Now, this program in New York, they said that they have 18 or $20 million and they don't even have people applying for it. And so they're like, hey, apply for it. They're giving out up to $50,000, but the money will be calculated based on your business annual gross and receipts in 2019. This is why it's so important. Like everybody's talking about they want to start a business, guys, but you have to have that documentation in order. I don't care if your business made $10 or $15 for 2019, as long as you're filing your taxes, which I think you still have to have a certain amount, to file taxes on. But if you file taxes for your business and then things like this come up with the grant money, they're going to want to see the information. But here is what the annual gross receipts must show on how much money you can get for your small business in New York as well. So I'm telling you, I have secured over $10,000 in grant money for my business. Like I said, I'm going to do some more videos regarding this so I can show you how I secured this. But the main thing that I ask that you do is get your business affairs in order. Don't come asking me. You guys know I have my one-on-ones. I'm going to start opening back up for that. If you want to book a one-on-one, Guys, if you want to be in business, you are going to have to know these things for yourself and figure it out. So I know you're like, Shalae, how can you help me, girl? Like, I want to help you, mama, but you about to be somebody's CEO. So you need to know this stuff like the back of your hand. There are so many resources out here that can help you. Not only are there resources, there's accountants, there's a lot of different things, but the main thing is there's money to help you start your business and get it going. And that's what I love to hear. So I hope you enjoyed this video. It's kind of a gloomy day where I'm at, so that's probably why I looked a little bit washed out, but it's okay, right? It doesn't matter what I look like as long as you get the content, as long as you're able to learn from it. And yeah, this is going to be it for my recording area for a little bit, and then we'll get back on it. But let me know if you were able to secure some grants for your business the legal way, okay? We're not talking about the PPP. For those that were legal, I'm happy that you did, that it was there and it was available, right? But I'm saying there's a lot of people have been doing some strange things, you know, some strange for some change, and now it's coming out for this PPP. But that's all I have. Please like, comment, share this video, purchase my ebook, get ready to book a one-on-one and get this money, honey. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye, guys.